When disaster strikes, the right gear can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down 10 of the coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets every prepper should know about. From dependable water filtration and emergency lighting to rugged outdoor tools and reliable shelter solutions, these items are designed to help you stay prepared for unexpected situations and challenging environments. Whether you're building your first emergency kit or upgrading your survival setup, this list highlights practical gear that combines durability, versatility, and real-world usefulness. Number 1. The trail turned silent as dusk swallowed the ridge. My pack felt light, but the night felt heavier. Ahead, broken branches marked an unexpected path home. I reached for the DRACHENADER knife at my belt. Its compact size made every movement feel effortless. The 8KR13 Movi steel blade flashed under fading light. Sharp, corrosion-resistant, ready for rough outdoor conditions. The ABS handle settled firmly into my palm. Even with wet hands, the grip never slipped. I cut cord, trimmed wood, and cleared the way. Each task felt controlled, precise, and surprisingly easy. The full Tang build gave me complete confidence. This was no fragile tool, but a real survivor. When darkness deepened, I opened the Sheath accessory. The included fire starter became my next lifeline. A few quick strikes, and sparks came alive. Soon, dry tinder caught, and warmth returned. A small flame changed everything in the cold wild. The belt clip kept the knife always within reach. No digging through gear, no wasted seconds, no panic. Its lightweight design never slowed my pace. At just 5.26 ounces, it disappeared on my waist. By dawn, the path opened toward safety. My gear had done more than survive the night. It had turned uncertainty into control. DRACHENADER delivers dependable strength in a compact form. Knife, sheath, clip, and fire starter, everything essential included. Perfect for camping, hiking, survival, and everyday carry. For adventurers who value readiness, this gift stands out. Carry confidence into every journey with DRACHENADER. Number 2. Backpacking water can be heavy, slow, and uncertain. Carrying extra bottles eats space in every pack. Stopping to filter water can break your hiking rhythm. Cheap filters often clog fast and frustrate every refill. Dirty gear, leaking caps, and loose parts create stress. When water sources appear, you need a faster solution. That is where the Quickdraw changes everything. It filters up to 3 liters per minute. Fast squeeze filtration means cleaner water without the weight. Gravity mode still delivers a solid 1.75 liters. So camp setup becomes easier, not more complicated. Its inside-out thread design fits many common bottles. Smart water bottles, Chinook bags, and Platy reservoirs work smoothly. It also connects with many standard 28mm bottles. The Connect cap expands compatibility with nearly any reservoir. Fill drink tubes directly, or adapt to wide-mouth bottles. Cleaning is simple with shake to clean and back flushing. No tools, no hassle, just restored flow quickly. The attached drink cap makes pouring or sipping effortless. Closed securely, it helps prevent leaks inside your pack. The grippy housing stays comfortable, even when wet. It resists dirt, so your gear stays cleaner longer. At only 2.4 ounces, it adds almost no weight. The compact size fits easily into minimalist setups. No assembly is required straight out of the box. Each filter is individually tested for trusted purification performance. It removes bacteria and protozoa to strict standards. Made in the USA, it is built for reliability. The limited lifetime warranty adds extra peace of mind. For hiking, travel, camping, and emergencies, it is ready. The Quickdraw gives you cleaner water with less effort, lightweight, fast, and versatile. It supports every adventure confidently. Number 3. A sudden storm clouds our family's camping trip. The ground turns hard, and hope feels far away. Then one small tool changes everything. This folding survival shovel is always ready. It opens into a strong spade for digging. A saw edge helps cut through tough obstacles. The pickaxe tackles rocky soil with ease. A bottle opener brings comfort to quiet nights. The nail puller and hoe handle everyday tasks. Even metal detecting adventures feel more prepared. Its compact size fits a car or backpack. Loop it to your belt and carry confidence. Wherever you go, support stays close. The high-carbon steel head feels solid and dependable. A soft rubber grip keeps every hold steady. No slipping, no strain, just easy control. For campers, hikers, gardeners, and explorers alike. For emergencies, roadside moments, and quiet preparation. For fathers, mothers, and anyone who protects home. One multi-tool, countless ways to help, a thoughtful gift for those who love adventure. A practical choice that says, I care, because being ready is a form of love, and helping others begins with simple preparedness. Compact, tough, and made for real life. Trusted quality brings peace of mind everywhere. When the moment arrives, you'll be glad. Choose YeCool and carry confidence with you. Order now and prepare for what matters. Number 4. Ever struggle to light candles in the wind? Matches fail. Disposable lighters run out fast. And open flame always feels a little risky. For home, camping, or barbecues, that gets annoying. Meet the SUPRUS electric arc lighter. A safer, rechargeable, flameless way to spark. No gas, no flame, no messy refills. Just press and a clean electric arc appears. Its safety lock helps prevent accidental ignition. Push the lock first, then press to light. Built-in chip protection adds extra peace of mind, and it auto-stops after 7 seconds. Need another spark? Simply reset and press again. That makes everyday use feel much more controlled. Windy outside? No problem at all. Flameless plasma technology stays steady in bad weather. Perfect for candles, grills, fireplaces, and campfires. It also fits kitchens, travel bags, and emergency kits. The slim design makes it easy to carry. Lightweight, compact, and ready whenever you need it. The battery indicator shows power in real time. 4 LED lights mean a full charge. Recharge with USB, then use it again and again. A smarter choice than throwing lighters away. You get the lighter, cable, gift box, and manual. Everything you need in one practical package. If you want safer, easier lighting, this makes sense. Choose SUPRUS for daily convenience and dependable performance. Upgrade your lighting tool today. SUPRUS electric lighter, small device, big everyday difference. Number 5. Night falls, and the trail disappears into darkness. A distant rustle makes every shadow feel alive. I reach for my trusted Archer 2A Pro. Its compact body fits my hand like a promise. One press, and the world snaps into focus. The beam cuts through darkness with 1020 lumens. Far ahead, the path appears almost instantly. Up to 365 meters of clear, confident reach. From Firefly to Turbo, every moment gets its light. The side switch lets me choose in seconds. Long press, short press, double click, no hesitation. Need instant power? Turbo answers without delay. Need stealth? Firefly keeps the night calm. The tail switch gives tactical control in a heartbeat. Momentary light, constant light, total command. Rain starts falling, but the mission continues. Its IPX8 body stays ready in any weather. Even after drops, the light keeps going strong. The diamond knurling holds steady in wet hands. A reversible clip keeps it close wherever I move. At camp, charging is simple with USB-C side access. No disassembly, no fuss, just plug and power up. The standby glow quietly marks its place in darkness. Green light breathing softly, always easy to find. Backyard checks, hiking routes, and emergency moments. One flashlight handles them all with effortless confidence. Compact, rugged, and built for everyday carry. Trusted by over 1 million users worldwide. It's more than a flashlight, it's readiness. Choose Archer 2A Pro and light every path. Number 6. Tired of dead batteries ruining your outdoor plans? Meet the SOARAISE 48000 mAh solar power bank. Reason 1. Massive power for serious all-day backup. With 48000 mAh, it keeps multiple devices alive longer. Perfect for camping, travel, emergencies, and daily use. Reason 2. 4 solar panels charge faster outdoors. Compared with single-panel models, it captures more sunlight. That means greener charging wherever the sun is available. Reason 3. Charge almost everything, one device at a time. Built-in 4 cables make charging incredibly convenient. USB-C, Lightning, USB-A, and Micro are all included. Plus, 3 ports and wireless charging support 7 devices. No cable chaos, no adapter hunting, no wasted time. Just place your phone on the wireless pad. It works with iPhone and Galaxy wireless models. Need speed? The USB-C port delivers 3A fast charging. Get your iPhone from 15% to 60% quickly. That's a huge win when you're rushing out. The rugged body is built for outdoor abuse. It handles hiking, road trips, and rough conditions confidently. Bright LED flashlights add extra safety after dark. Choose from 3 lighting modes for different situations. Battery indicators keep you informed at a glance. You always know how much power is left. This is the kind of gear you actually use. Reliable, practical, and ready when you need it most. If you want one charger for every scenario, this is it. Power your phone, tablet, and essentials with confidence. Grab the SOARAISE solar power bank now. Click to order and stay powered anywhere, anytime. Number 7. My gear failed at the worst possible moment. The rope snapped, and panic hit instantly. Everyone thought I needed a bigger, heavier knife. But bulky tools only slowed me down. Then I reached for something surprisingly compact. The FLISSA button lock folding knife appeared. Small enough for pockets, powerful enough for real tasks. Its D2 steel blade looked dangerously sharp. With 60 to 62 HRC strength, it meant business. The black titanium coating resisted corrosion with confidence. I expected a flimsy handle, but was wrong again. The G10 grip felt solid, textured, and secure. Even with wet hands, control never slipped away. Then came the smooth flipper opening. Ball bearings made every motion fast and effortless. But the real shock was the button lock. Safe, secure, and designed to prevent accidents. One press, and the blade closed smoothly. Now I had control, speed, and peace of mind. The compact size changed everything. Folded length is just 4.3 inches. At only 3.4 ounces, it disappears into carry. The deep carry clip keeps it ready anytime. The hanging hole adds even more portability. Camping, hiking, fishing, DIY, daily cutting, it handled all. From boxes to cord, this knife never hesitated. Even in tough outdoor moments, it stayed reliable. A knife this small should not feel this capable. Yet FLISSA proved strength can come in purple. If you want a serious EDC upgrade, choose FLISSA. Get yours now and carry confidence every day. Number 8. Dusk settles over the forest and the wind starts whispering. I shouldered my pack and followed the fading trail deeper. Rain clouds rolled in fast, turning the woods silent and cold. Tonight, I needed shelter that could handle anything ahead. Then I found the Backwoods Bungalow 2 waiting quietly. Its brown ripstop shell blended perfectly with the wild surroundings. The 75D nylon felt tough, dependable, and built for storms. Reinforced tie-outs and grommets promised stability when the weather shifted. I snapped the tent into place with simple, confident motions. No pole included, so I used nearby sticks and poles. In minutes, the shelter stood ready against the gathering rain. I left the canopy open, creating a protected porch. My wood stove fit neatly beneath the extended front awning. Warm light flickered under the roof, chasing away the chill. When the rain strengthened, I zipped the canopy closed. The porch transformed into a solid A-frame fortress. Instantly, heavy drops struck the fabric, yet everything stayed dry. Inside, the double-layer entrance welcomed airflow without inviting weather. The mesh door kept bugs out and breezes moving. At the rear, a vent released heat and moisture. That balance made the shelter feel breathable all night. A lantern hung overhead, casting a calm glow across camp. Every detail felt thoughtful. Zippers, stitches, toggles, and tension points. Even in the dark, the setup felt reassuringly rugged. By morning, the storm had passed beyond the ridge. I stepped outside to a dry camp and quiet forest. Everything packed back into the waterproof compression bag easily. Lightweight stakes and guy lines made breakdown just as simple. For bushcraft, backpacking, or motorcycle trips, it just makes sense. Compact, Durable and versatile, it turns rough weather into comfort. If you want a shelter that performs like a partner, choose OneTigris. Number 9. Dawn breaks over the yard, and overgrown brush waits. A simple task suddenly feels bigger than expected. Branches crowd the path, blocking every step forward. Then the sheath comes off, revealing a ready blade. The machete feels balanced, solid, and surprisingly easy. Its curved stainless steel edge catches the morning light. One swing, and stubborn weeds give way fast. Thick brush parts cleanly under controlled cutting power. Tree limbs fall with less effort, more confidence. In the garden, trimming turns into smooth progress. At camp, the same tool handles tougher jobs. Firewood, branches, and rope all meet one blade. For hunters and bushcrafters, it becomes a trusted companion. For hikers and survivalists, reliability matters most. The full Tang build adds strength through every strike. A 5mm thick blade brings heavy-duty durability. Rust-resistant stainless steel keeps performance ready longer. The wooden handle sits firmly in the hand. Comfort and control stay steady through long work. The sheath makes carrying safer and more convenient. Slide it in, clip it on, and move. No wasted time, no awkward storage, just readiness. At 13.2 inches overall, it feels purposeful. Large enough for impact, compact enough to carry. Garden chores, camping trips, and trail clearing become easier. From backyard to wilderness, it answers every demand. When the job turns rough, this machete stays dependable. Sharper cutting, safer carry, stronger confidence in hand. One tool, many missions, built for outdoor life. Choose the machete that works as hard as you do. Number 10. Out in the wild, every tool has to earn its place. This Wayland Bushcraft hatchet is built for real camp work. Reason 1. One hatchet handles countless outdoor tasks. Split kindling fast, process firewood, and clear stubborn branches. Need stakes, shelter parts, or camp projects? It delivers. From bushcraft to everyday camping, it keeps you moving. Reason 2. Full Tang steel means serious dependable strength. A single-piece 3CR13 stainless steel build feels solid. The 4mm thick spine adds confident chopping power. Balanced, durable, and ready for long outdoor use. You want a tool that works hard without drama. Reason 3. Lightweight design makes carry easier on the trail. At under 27 ounces, it stays comfortable for hikes. You get strong chopping performance without carrying extra weight. That matters on overnight trips and full bushcraft days. The included MOLLE sheath makes transport simple and secure. Clip it to your pack, belt, or outdoor gear. Quick access matters when camp chores come up suddenly. This hatchet fits camping, hiking, hunting, and overlanding. It also suits trail maintenance, emergency kits, and survival setups. The ergonomic grip helps you stay in control. The compact shape makes it easy to handle. From firewood to shelter building, it keeps up. From camp prep to bushcraft carving, it pulls weight. If you need one dependable outdoor chopping tool, this is it. Built rugged, carried easily, and ready whenever you are. Upgrade your camp kit with a hatchet that earns trust. Tap the link, check the details, and gear up now. Get yours today and make every outdoor task easier. That wraps up our list of 10 coolest doomsday survival gear and gadgets every prepper should consider adding to their emergency kit. Remember, great preparedness isn't about collecting the most gear, it's about choosing reliable tools, learning how to use them, and having a well-thought-out plan. If you enjoyed this countdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more survival gear reviews and preparedness content, and share your favorite item from today's list in the comments. Stay prepared, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.